Hey guys, I've been having problems with my left hand and fingers for about 3 months now. It's been mainly since it's got cold, since we've had colder weather. It's really cold in this house. There's no central heat, so it gets really cold, but you know, my fingertips will turn white. So I went to the doctor yesterday. He said it's Raynaud's disease or syndrome, whatever you call it. So he actually gave me these pills to try. It's called nifedipine. Take one a day. So he said try that and see if that helps. But I was telling him it's only my left hand that really bothers me, and I said I think it's TOS related. I said the left side is the side that I didn't have surgery on, and the right side seems to have better circulation. That's the side that I had surgery on roughly 25 years ago, where they took some muscles out of my neck, and I guess that kind of opened things up. And because this hand used to swell up and turn purple, and it kind of took care of that problem. But he said he didn't know if Raynaud's was related to TOS, but he doesn't really know anything about TOS. I've been going to the same doctor for pretty close to 40 years now, and it always frustrates me because he doesn't really know anything about TOS. If I bring it up, he always just kind of changes the subject. He's like, yeah, I don't know if TOC, he doesn't even call it the right thing. It's TOS, not TOC. He goes, I don't know if that's, you know, related to Raynaud's syndrome or not, but, you know, to me, if the left hand is the only one having problems, and that's the one I didn't have surgery on, it's, you know, that's TOS causes restriction up here in the neck area. It restricts nerves and blood vessels, so I think that's what's causing it. I think it's TOS related, but he didn't seem to know. But I think it is. I posted over in the the TOS forums on Facebook, and some of those people said they had Raynaud's symptoms as well. So I'm pretty sure it's related with TOS. You can see because of the cold, also my fingers are kind of purple around the nail beds there, and that happened the other day. I was outside and my finger had one of those spills where my fingers all turned white, and then the next day it was like a cold wind. My fingers were purple. So I think because of the lack of circulation in my fingertips, they got kind of froze or frostbit. And the doctor said you got to kind of be careful. You don't want to get sores, or you can even get like gangrene in your fingers and stuff from that. So you got to try to keep that hand warm. Kind of be careful. But you know, I get so frustrated because these doctors just don't know anything about TOS. I guess he should maybe take the time and watch a few of my videos. It's like I've been going to him and I always bring it up and he always changes the subject. You think maybe once he would get curious and look it up or something. But my wife's doctor was the same way. I kind of suspected that she might have had TOS as well, because she had a lot of the same symptoms. She fell and had kind of a whiplash type injury, and I said, you know, that's sometimes how TOS can get started. And she brought it up to her doctor, and her doctor didn't know anything about it either. In fact, she called it the wrong name, just like my doctor did, and said something about we don't even know if that exists or whatever. And she's like, my husband's had it for like 40 years. It exists. But you know, it's just so frustrating. Sometimes I make these videos. I've been making these videos about TOS for almost 5 years now, and sometimes I just wonder if it helps anybody at all. Does it really even make a difference? It's like, I don't know. It's just like beating my head against the wall sometimes, I think. But you know, once in a while I'll get a comment from someone that says, you know, hey, thanks a lot for making these. You know, they're really helpful to me. So anyway, I guess we'll see, you know, if this hand starts to get any better, if those pills make any difference, and hopefully the weather will start warming up soon, and that will make a difference too. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.